Hello everyone, this is Karik Joshua, and then in this video I'll be showing you how to install your PHP script. So for those of you that don't know what this PHP script is uh, it's a web application already designed where you can actually install into your domain. So you don't have to really go through the stress of writing codes or doing everything from scratch. So you can call them PHP templates, yeah. But today we'll be working on something special. We'll be working on this project. This is it's a banking script where it acts like a bank. It works for financial institutions. If you have a microfinance bank, this script works perfectly for you. And this is where you can actually buy this script, okay, without going through the hassle of scratching online to get it. All right, so we have it on store.characterjoshua.com. This is my online store where you can buy the script, you can download it, and you can install it straight into your domain. All right. So first of all, this is how the script looks like. Okay, this is the front end. All right, this is different parts of it. All right, and this script comes with a deposit, withdrawal, currency exchange, loan, uh, fixed deposit, gift card payment, etc., and wire transfer. Okay, so this is a complete script that would work perfectly well for your microfinance bank, for your financial institution. All right, so I've installed the script a couple of times for a few businesses. All right, and it works perfectly well, and it's one of the complete scripts you can actually work with. But in Carrick Joshua, on my online store, store.carrickjoshua, we have other I think you should check it out. We have a lot more scripts. We have different scripts where you can download and that is functional for you. All right. So immediately you buy the script. Okay. Immediately you get the script straight up. You can install it and it will be working for you. So let's get into the video quickly to show you how to install the script. Okay. So this works generally for all all PHP scripts. Where they say you can just upload straight into your uh, database and it will be running perfectly well for you. Yeah, so when trying to install this particular PHP script, because each script comes with its own installation process, all right? So, but today I'll be running you through how to install this particular PHP script. It's called the Livo Banking Script, okay? So, first of all, we've made a checklist on the steps we'd have to cover to get it working perfectly well. Okay, so these are our to-do list. Okay, so these are to-do list. First of all, we'll get the domain and hosting. This is important. Then after that, we'd create a database. After that, we'd upload our script and would install the script. And you can find this particular script on store.carrickjoshua.com. All right. So before we go into it, we have to understand that each script comes with its own installation process. Okay, this is the basic process for uh, this particular script because this is how I've been installing it and it has been working great. But first things first, we have to check on the script. We have to understand the documentation, how it functions. You understand, like if the how it would function, the main is documentation behind the whole function of the script. Okay, so this is about the script. So what we'll do, we'll go straight to installation. you know Once you get the script from us, you get the documentation also. So through the documentation you understand how to install the script, you follow the steps. There everything, there are rules to this project. Okay, so first things first, it says you can install this script on the main domain or on a subdomain, right? This is it. So we'll be installing this particular script on a subdomain. Okay. I like using subdomains for lectures and teaching. All right. So, but if you're new to my channel, I need you to like, share, and subscribe Okay, I can't emphasize enough. Okay, if you watch to this point, I need you to like this video. I need you to comment. If you need a direct link to buying the script, I need you to comment that you need it. I need you to say something positive. I need to send me a DM. All right. Any platform you're actually watching this, just send me a DM. Okay. All right. So we have to understand. So the say first one, step one, you can install the subdomain or a main domain. First, you need to create your domain and hosting. All right. First, we've created our domain, our subdomain already. Yes. So first of all, we already have a subdomain set up already. If you don't know how to uh, get a domain or a subdomain for your website, w- w- just send me a message and I'll show you how to do it one on one. But it's not free, boy. All right. So step two is you need to create your MySQL database. These are the important things. All right, as well as your database username and password. Look, if you are new to this, I know it sounds boring, but I don't need you to think about the boring part of it. Just, it's simple, step by step. You know, it took me a while to understand these steps because I went straight in. Well, because I know, I understand it right now, I need you to, be patient and go my steps, okay? So you need to understand the database. You need to create the database. Make sure it comes with the username and password, and you have to give all privileges to the database. All right. So you mean you're going to that's easy. So step three is you would upload the the script to your database to your file manager. All right. You need to upload into your the back end of the website where all the information is actually stored. You need to upload it down there. Okay, then lastly, you extract, and after extracting, then you install. All right, it's simple. This is a very simple uh, process where you now have to input in the information, the database information. All right, the database will actually help this script function. Without the database, it will not function. So you have to be careful about creating your database. So, but the good thing about it is, without with our current web hosting platform, have we have a great they've assisted us with creating our database. We have what they call the database wizard. So let's check our to-do list. First of all, we have our domain and hosting. First, we have this one. Okay. So okay, now we have to create our database. Okay. Then we upload our script. Then we install the script. Okay. It's simple. Simple steps by step. Okay. So we have to go through our to-do list again just to make sure. So we said we've already gotten our domain. Then we have to create uh, a database. All right. So we'll go to our cPanel where we have to go and create our database. All right. So if you look closely, I'll be giving you a link to this web hosting I'm using down in the description. If you go to your database wizard, it shows you to create database. So I'll go to I'll use DB1. You can use anything, but I like to keep it simple. Database one. So you go next, then you create the user. So you can make it DB user and a password. We can generate our own password to make it very secure. And please, you need to understand, you have to write these, you have to keep it safe. As you There you go. But we have to keep our password safe. So we have db db password. Yeah, we have to keep it safe. Then let's get back into it. We have to allow all privileges according to the steps, that we read through. You have to allow all privileges. So next step, we have our database set up. Okay, so we just have to copy this information. These are our database information. We have to copy it and keep it safe. And it says this is your database username. That's DB user, and this is the database name. Okay. What we do is we have to arrange it so we don't mess things up. All right. So we have to just set it up. Take your time to make sure everything is set up properly. So we just have to set it very well so you don't have to miss anything up. Well, there was a time I I did this like five. All right, so we have our database information where so we have to cross it off. We've created our database. All right, so now we have to upload our PHP script. So in trying to upload your PHP script, you come back here and you go to your file manager. All right. Then you should know how to, with time, yeah, if this is your first time, I need you to still like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. But this is your first time, you need to watch closely. Do as I do. All right. So this is all right. So we would go directly to the subdomain root folder where hmm, all right, so we have we're done uploading the files down into our file manager, into our domain, our subdomain right now. This is where the subdomain files are kept for the new website project. All right, so right now we would extract it. Yes, we will. So this is the process. Every time you upload a zip file into your file manager, you have to extract it. Okay, so when you do it, sometimes you just have to where the reload, you reload it, and they're all out here. So what you do is you delete your main zip folder, you take it out, then it's all set. So if you go back to check the instructions on how to install, hold on. Instructions on how to install, it says if you finish extracting, you just go to the link directly. All right, just go directly into the link and it will start. So let's go to the link. And what do we have here? This is our link. So please, I need you to like, share, and subscribe. This is for educational purpose only. All right. Everything you see here is for educational purpose only. All right. So once you go to the link, you see your server is ready for installation. All right. So if you follow these steps, you guarantee to get to the installation process. Most scripts do not is not as easy as this right now. Some scripts might take a little bit of uploading here and there, but this one is a straightforward installation process. All right, so I recommend you to buy this script from store.characterjoshua.com. It's easy. Immediately you pay for it, it comes, you get it directly, downloaded file directly. So I recommend you to get the script, all right, from store.characterjoshua.com, where you can get different templates for your WordPress websites, scripts that are very good and easy easy installation. All right, so immediately you pay for it, you get access to it direct to your email address or directly to your PC, anyhow you want it. Okay, well, first, I needed to like and subscribe to my videos. I needed to like my videos. I needed to say something positive on my channel, you know, and on Facebook. All right. So now we've been able to install. So let's go next. So now you remember the database information we got earlier. So now we have to put in this information. All right. So first of all, you get a database password, you copy, just I'm trying to work as efficient as possible. So let's say you put the password here, uh, then get a database name, the user, and make sure you put user in user, database in database, and I would explain what the local host is. So we just copy the user, so let's paste this one. Then I have no idea. Then database. All right. It's a very simple process. Don't mind my recording skills. All right. But please, I need you to, if you're seeing this on TikTok, I need you to follow. If you're seeing this on Facebook, I need to follow. If you're seeing this on YouTube, I need you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm begging you. I need this to grow. Okay. It's free of charge to subscribe. So I need you to subscribe to my channel and let's make things happen. So after putting in the database, you come here. If you put it correctly, you'd come to where it says you should put in your login information. Here you set up your name, your email, and password. All right. So name, like. All right. So first of all, name. For this purpose, I'm keeping it simple. Shit. So let's go with email admin at mail.com. Please note this one doesn't exist, all right, because of the the course of the tutorial. We just have to make something up. So password we use admin also. All right, let's keep it simple. Then next. Okay, they said I have to make it. So password. Okay, let's work something. One. So here you have to put in a company name, education, site title, education, phone number, email. Oh, we have an email here. Okay. So this was gonna appear when you're you're done with this installation. This is like your company address or information, you know. Yeah, so we're done with the installation, and now voila, welcome to your financial institution. I don't know if you remember admin at mail.com. And then our password. Okay, so let's log in. I hope my information is correct. Okay, so correct. Uh, pass. All right, so we've been able to sign into the admin dashboard. So this is where you find all the information you need, the setup information. This is general dashboard. All right, this is an amazing uh, script, easy to use. So you can set everything up. It even comes with branches and other banks, wire transfer, and anything else. All right, so this is an amazing script, and don't forget, if you need this script, so we've been able to finish it. You can get a script from store.characterjoshua.com. All right, so you can just get it straight to you. All right, so it's an amazing script. It works perfectly well with Paystack, Flutter, Wave, blockchain, crypto. So you can receive payments with crypto on here, even gift cards. It's perfect. All right, even with customer care and branches. So if you want to know more about this, I need you to keep following my channel, follow my YouTube page, follow my Facebook page. Or I need you to like this video. I need you to subscribe anywhere. Just follow me for more information. And if you need a link to be able to purchase this particular script, I'll be putting it down below, or you can just comment and ask for this link. All right, then we'll get it to you. Okay. Thank you very much. I appreciate you for sticking with this video for so long. All right. So please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you and have an amazing time. All right. Bye bye.